Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be doing some Valentine coasters, doing the heart molds. I want to take my candy hearts and put them all around the edge of this heart coaster. First I need to get whatever's in there out, spray my mold with my isopropyl alcohol, and I'm going to take my Let's Resin that I already have mixed up. I'm going to pour it just around the edge. I get that all poured around there, and I am going to just level it out a little bit, make sure it's good. Grab my first little heart candy, and it doesn't fit. The heart candy is too wide. Plan B. I am just going to take the heart candies and place them face down, message side up along the bottom of the coaster. Not exactly what I had in mind, but I guess I should have tried to see if the candy would fit to begin with before I mixed up all my resin. So we're just going on the fly here. Should still be fine. Move these around just a little bit. I'm going to try not to get too many of the same colors next to each other. Don't have very much of a color selection here. Scrape out everything that's in that cup. And I'm just going to put a layer down, a clear layer down for them to sit in. I'll come back and back them once they're cured up. So we're going to spray this mold with isopropyl alcohol, pour in my first layer of resin, and put my candies face down. I want to make sure that I have the same amount of candies in this heart as I do the other one, so I'm going to move these around a little bit, make sure I have enough room. Have equal amount of hearts inside my heart. I wish I had read these hearts prior to putting them down, so I didn't have the same message on the heart in some of the coasters. But I don't remember these hearts saying these things when I was a kid. Like, I remember just miss you or hug me, love you, kiss me, you know, things like that. These hearts had, I remember one saying joint taxes or something like that. I was like, what in the world? These are not the cute little romantic hearts that they used to be. Now it's all about joint bank accounts and filing taxes together. All right, anyway, I lost track. So I let those cure, and now I've come back with my Satori White pigment paste from Eye Candy, and I am just going to back these in white now that they're all cured up. So I will get these covered and cured, and I will be back to demold them. And then I have 2 more coasters that I'm going to do. Still the heart-shaped coasters, and it'll be a matching set of 4. Still the same theme. I'll give that one a spray of isopropyl alcohol. Set it aside so it can cure. I'll try to get it out of my way and not spill it. We'll get this one backed in the Eye Candy White pigment paste as well. And then I will be back for the next ones. Actually, I need to demold these after they're cured. Then I'll be back with the next ones. So once these are cured, we're gonna demold them. And here we are, demolding, just like that. See how they turned out. And we have one heart coaster. I like them, I think they're cute. We'll get this other one demolded. Get this one out. I need to be able to use these coaster molds again. I wish I had gotten a different yellow, one that had a saying on it. For some reason, this one didn't have a saying on it, and I was just going for the color yellow. Didn't even realize it didn't have a saying until after I demolded it. All right, so now I get to use the coaster again, and I am using this pink. It is from Nick Pro. I wanted a light pink, and I didn't really have a pink that I thought would go for what I'm trying to do. So this is the one I went with. So I spray my isopropyl alcohol as usual. Run my finger around the edges there. I'm going to pour some in. And then I'm going to take my dotting tool. And I'm going to go around the edges just to make sure there are no bubbles hiding in the edges. And I go around the inside and the outside of that edge, if that makes any sense. Just to make sure there's nothing hiding in either place. Give it a spray in case any bubbles came up. And I'm going to just fill it up. And now for my next one. I wanted a pale yellow, and this is all I could find. So I am going to use a little bit of this in my Let's Resin. I'm going to try to make it a light yellow. I know what I'm looking for in my head. Whether I can accomplish that or not is always a different story. So we're going to try. Give my mold a spray of alcohol, go around the edges, and pour in a little bit of the yellow. Once again, I go around the outside of that heart, making sure there's no bubbles hiding in there. Just playing it safe. All right, pour in some more yellow. Give it a little spray of alcohol in case any yellow came up, any bubbles came up from that yellow. Now I will fill this up. I did see a bubble there on the side, so I got that quick. Gave it another spray and set it aside. And we're back. The magic never ends. All right, so we're going to demold these and see how they came out. This looks like a good pink to me. All right, I like the pink. I had trouble with my last pink. I have some overage, so I'm going to have to cut that off. That's from me moving my molds out of the way. Always get a little spillage when I move them. The yellow looks good. Oh, the yellow has some crackle in it. How did that happen? I don't know. All right, so here's my set. Here's my set of 4. But wait, there's more. They look really good together as a set. All right, so let's trim these overages. I have my snipper thingies. I don't even know what their proper name is, but they seem to cut pretty good for overage on resin. So whatever these snipper thingies are called, that's what I'm using. I'm going to go around the outside of both of them. Get that off of there. Make sure I have no sharp edges. Don't want to get cut on them. When I am done with this, I am going to my Cricut and I am going to make my own little love message for these coasters. And I'm going to use the kind of messages that should have been on my candy hearts. So as I'm trying to get this off onto my transfer tape, I could not find my scraper anywhere. So I'm doing it by hand, which was difficult, but we got there. I cut it down so it fits inside my heart, trying to get it centered. Looks pretty centered to me. The font is not like a straight line font. Anyway, it's kind of more like that Ray person. I don't know if I can say it or not, so I'm not gonna say it. It's kind of like that kind of font. So that's what I used. I thought it looked really good. I wanted the skinny letters on these. I thought it would be the best. I didn't want a chunky, bubbly type letter on there. So I have Kiss Me on the yellow one. And for the pink one, I'm weeding. I forgot to do the E. So I gotta get the little center out of the E there. And I have Love You on the pink one. Cute, right? I thought so. So that looks pretty centered. I'm gonna push it down and then peel the transfer tape back. Not bad, not bad. Get the other one over here. Look, so cute. All right, we need them all in here so we can get the full visual effect. Zoom out a little bit, try to get them all in. Look, I think they go pretty good together. I did okay matching the colors. The yellow and the pink match all right. But we need to top coat them as well. So I broke out the crushed crystal, of course. And I have my resin mixed up. I'm going to just put a little dab of, that was kind of a big dab, wasn't it? Of crushed crystal in there. Give it a stir and pour them on. I'm going to pour it on and then I'm going to just roll it around to level it out. And I will do that to all 4 coasters. I'm trying to speed through it because this video was very long. So roll that one around. We'll go to the other one. And we'll get this one from edge to edge. Get complete coverage. And then I will move these aside. Pour some resin over my pink one so I can seal in those cricket letters. Get that vinyl all sealed down there so it doesn't peel up. And do my yellow one. And then I'm going to put these aside for the night and let them cure up. All right, here it is the next morning. Look at how cute these are. I love them. I think they go good together. I still regret that yellow heart, but it's okay. I should have, what I should have done is just taken a red Sharpie and wrote my own message on it and then sealed it in. Didn't think of that until just now. Next time. Now, next time I'll make sure it has a message on it. All right, that is it. I am done. I hope you like them. Let me know what you think. Here are a few pictures for you. Thanks for watching.